As prosecutor of the International Criminal Court, I welcome today's important development in the situation in Mali. Mr Al Hassan, ak Abdul Aziz, ak Mohamed, ak Mahmoud, Mr Al Hassan, has been arrested and transferred to the custody of the International Criminal Court. It is a development which sends a strong message to all those, wherever they are, who commit crimes which shock the conscience of humanity, that my office remains steadfast in the pursuit of its mandate under the Rome Statute. I hope that it equally signals to Mali our commitment and resolve to do right by that mandate, and to do what we can to address the untold suffering inflicted upon the Malian population and what they hold dear as a people. Today's development follows the decision of the judges of the International Criminal Court's Pre-Trial Chamber 1 to issue a warrant of arrest. This was issued under seal on the 27th of March 2018 and subsequently made public. It ensured from the judge's independent assessment of my application for a warrant of arrest against Mr Al Hassan, which I filed on the 20th of March 2018. On the basis of the evidence gathered, my office alleges that Mr Al Hassan committed crimes against humanity and war crimes in Timbuktu, Mali, between April 2012 and January of 2013. The charges against him are representative of the range of crimes and the resulting effects on the victims during this period. More specifically, we allege that Mr. Al Hassan is responsible for the crimes against humanity of persecution on both religious and gender grounds, rape and sexual slavery committed in the context of forced marriages, torture, and other inhumane acts intentionally causing great suffering or serious injury to body or to mental or physical health. We also alleged that Mr. Al Hassan bears responsibility for the war crimes of cruel treatment and torture, outrages upon personal dignity, in particular humiliating and degrading treatment, rape and sexual slavery, attacks intentionally directed against buildings dedicated to religion and historic monuments, and the passing of sentences without previous judgment pronounced by a regularly constituted court, affording all judicial guarantees which are generally recognized as indispensable. My office's strategic plans and policies, including on sexual and gender-based crimes, reinforce our commitment to bring forward cases which are guided and built only on a strong foundation of evidence. The charges we have brought against the suspects in this case embody that approach. As a prosecuting office, we are firm in the pursuit of our mandate. We also value and respect the court's independent judicial process, which affords the suspect all due process rights guaranteed under the Rome Statute, including the presumption of innocence. It is ultimately up to the judges to decide, in accordance with the applicable law and based on the evidence before them, whether this or any other case meets the necessary burden of proof. As I stated in the context of the first case in the Mali situation, the Al Mahdi case, my office continues to do all it can within its mandate and means to ensure that the perpetrators of crimes under the ICC jurisdiction do not go unpunished. As we undertake this work, we continue to have the victims foremost in mind. We strive to do what we can so that they may attain the justice they so rightly deserve. I am also committed to the view that fighting impunity for such grave crimes positively contribute to fostering peace, security, and stability in society. This too is my commitment and hope for Mali. Finally, I would like to reiterate that cooperation is central to the effectiveness of the Rome Statute system. I therefore wish to express my appreciation for the close collaboration my office has always enjoyed with the government of Mali in the fight against impunity for the grave crimes listed in the Rome Statute. I thank you.